Nope.
Beans? Do you have
Yeah.
onions?
These are the beans. See behind me? These are all the beans. Jack's beans. These are all beans going all high, 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 high.
Oh, yeah.
And then,
Did you get any beans from it?
not yet.
Okay.
And then carrots.
Oh, yeah.
And I think those might be gourds, the ones that are growing high.
Oh, yeah.
And zucchini. No zucchinis from them yet. Swiss chard.
Oh, that's Swiss chard. You can put that in a salad.
Yeah, that would be nice. And then there's cucumbers back at the back. And these are cucumbers through here, and lots of weeds. And cucumbers back here. And beans, and those are peas. And there's onions here, and dill. And a pretty plant that I like that I forget the name of. It's A. Starts with an A. There's another, something that might be a gourd. And peppers, 2 peppers.
Oh, yeah.
And carrots and beets. And some more beans.
Right on.
That's my garden.
That's good.
It is. It's a nice place in here, isn't it?
Yes.
I had my campfire in here the other night.
It's funny, I never noticed weeds in here before until you put a garden in here.
I know. Well, they weren't weeds.
Yeah.
Those are from the seeds. No, those are from the topsoil.
Oh.
I put sheep manure in topsoil, and when it's rained, it's run out of the bottom. Or no, when I water it, it runs out the bottom, and so
Oh, okay.
there's now some soil in here on the driveway as well. But some of these things don't look like they're doing as well as they should. They're not as green as they should be, I think.
Well, they're not as big as mine are outside.
Of course, we didn't plant this until June.
Yeah, I planted mine the 1st of June.
Okay, well maybe.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, it's
They
just,
always, the people that I plant with say you should always plant like the 1st of June.
Hmm.
And actually, Grant was worried about his because he planted his May 24th, which was actually like May 19th this year. That we lost
Oh yeah, this year we had lots of
frost after
frost.
that.
I think it's so pretty to have all that greenery up high like that.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
This is just an experiment.
Yeah,
All experiments.
Alright, are we going to go down to the pond?
Yeah. Okay.